Tell us a little bit more about the local fry, Paul. How many locations is corporate owned versus franchise? What are the benefits of joining and being part of a franchise system? What's the vision for the brand as you look out the next 5-10 years? Where would you like to be? What's the benefit as a brand to go the franchising route versus saying I want to open all these on my own? All right, so Paul, if you could introduce yourself for us.
Paul Stratmeyer with the Local Fry.
Fantastic. And tell us a little bit more about the local fry, Paul.
The Local Fry is a quick casual brand based in Maryland, been around 10 years. Just started franchising last year and very excited to have a new location opening this week at Morgan State, which is a local college in Baltimore. We also have an original location that's just near Hopkins University. We do really well in the university crowd. It's quick casual food. We have fried meals. If you can imagine going to Chipotle, you get a bed of rice with proteins on top. This is a bed of fries with proteins on top. And every protein you can imagine. And then we also have some Asian bowls. We have wings, fantastic wings, but the fry concept is really the main deal.
Understood. Okay, so French fries, like regular fries that you get, that's the base of the meal.
Right.
And then you add your toppings around
exactly.
it.
Chicken tenders, bulgogi beef, catfish, tofu, whatever.
Okay, nice. And how many locations is corporate owned versus franchise?
4 corporate. We just started franchising. We've already sold 30-some stores. Just started this year.
Incredible. You got already 30 that you've sold. Amazing.
Well, the P&L is very good. The numbers prove out pretty well. So people who are experienced in food, once they see it, they will sign up for that.
Incredible. That's amazing. And tell us about, like, for someone out there that thinks about, hey, I can start this on my own. I can replicate this and start on my own. Versus buying into a franchise and the benefits of doing that. What are the benefits of joining and being part of a franchise system?
Well, with our franchise, I'm a consultant, okay? And what I try to do is segment what the owners know versus what I know. And I do everything from capture a franchisee to getting a site and then getting their equipment package and getting their drawings and getting them close to open. And in the meantime, the owners who really know the food and really know their brand, they're very attached to their brand. They train you, they get your marketing set up, and they get you focused on producing this food, which is top notch.
Incredible. And what's the vision for the brand as you look out the next 5-10 years? Where would you like to be?
I can see several hundred booths, and I've done this before, and I can tell you this is awesome. These 2 owners are so connected to what they're doing. That's the key.
Incredible. And as a brand, right, so you started with 4 locations, started franchising, now you got 30 ready, and you're going to expand to hundreds over the next few years. What's the benefit as a brand to go the franchising route versus saying I want to open all these on my own?
Capital-wise, you can't do that. If you got Goldman Sachs money and you can open a bunch of corporate stores, that's great, but they actually take control of the brand, so you lose that. You don't have that mom-pop feel. But franchising gets you a chance to go get financing somewhere. You're using other people's money to develop your brand. And that's the trick. And then you have a whole lot of owners who are really, really motivated. And that's the key. Making your own, that ain't happening. Landlords don't want to deal with one-offs. Landlords want somebody who's a brand, even if you're a young brand, and they can go and see 2 or 3 or 4 locations, and then they love the food, then you can get them.
Fantastic. Well, what a great story. It's amazing. So there we are, the local fry, right? 4 locations, 30 sold, and hundreds going to become. This is the next big thing that you're going to see all over America, guys. And here we are in the early phases. We look forward to following the story and seeing you guys grow and succeed. And congratulations on all the success you have so far.
My pleasure. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Paul. Appreciate your time. Thank you.
Do you want to franchise your business and take it to a whole new level? Click the link below to schedule a free consultation today.